life. No? Ellen G. White was a prominent American author and co-founder of Seventh-day Adventist Church. And Ellen Gold Harmon, born on November 26, 1827, in Burnham, Maine, she became a central figure in the Adventist movement, known for her prolific writings and reporting visions. No? Sa Ellen G. White, nakakuha siya sa mga visions. White's early life was marked by a strong religious upbringing. She was the seventh of 8 children in a devout Methodist family. Pangpito si Ellen White sa iyahang magsuon no, in a devout Methodist family. At the age of 9, she suffered a severe physical injury after being struck by a stone. Asa na ito? Then, an event she later attributed to being a turning point in her spiritual journey. This incident, coupled with attending a Methodist camp meeting at the age of 12, gathered na si Ellen Gold Harmon. Di pa man siya minahaligan. So, led to a profound conversion experience where she found peace and acceptance with God. Then, in December 1844, at the age of 17 niya si Ellen Gold Harmon, pagkadalaga po niya White had her first vision. Parang na yung una niya vision. This vision witnessed by a group of fellow believers na mawitness sila sa vision ni Ellen Gold Harmon. Marked the beginning of a lifetime of receiving visions and dreams, which she believed were divine revelations. Ito si Ellen White na mga divine revelations siya ni God. White described this experience in detail of detalyado na pagka-describe ni Ellen Gold Harmon, both verbally and in writing. Right? And it became a cornerstone of her ministry. Then, Ellen White Gold Harmon in 1846 married James Springer White. Then, nagminyo na. Nagpakasal si Ellen Gold Harmon kay
James White.
Oh, yes, kay James White. Ano siya? Ellen Gold White. An Adventist minister ang iyang banat ni Maria. Isa ka Adventista nga minister who shared her convictions that God had called her to be a prophet. Niluday sa James na itawag si Ellen na usap ka prophet. Together, they became active in the Adventist movement. Nasi partner si Ellen White o yung banat si James White. Aktibo sila sa pag-minister. Mag-minister yung sa spreading the message of Christ, imminent return, and advocating for the observance of the Sabbath on Saturday. Well, White's ministry was characterized by extensive travel sila, writing and public speaking. She penned thousands of articles and books. Mga articles and books.
40 books.
40 books?
40 books, 50,000 articles. A manuscript that was 5,000 articles. Oh, more than 5,000.
Wow, nagkabalog yun sila ka Ellen White.
Sorry ko na sila mo.
Wow. Okay, ito na-review lang nila ito. Okay. Then, dagan kayo mga books, tingnan yung mga pamphlet pa. A wide range of subjects, including religion, education, social relationship, evangelism, prophecy, publishing, nutrition, and health. O promote po si Ellen White Bible work include stick to Christ. Isa lang basa sa stick to Christ.
Let's
Ano
be
po sa
present.
stick to Christ? The
That's
desire of
the
ages.
Ministry of Giving.
The
Daughters
desire
of
of ages.
Ages.
Siya mga basahin.
Evangelization.
Okay, o the great controversy. Okay, mga box, nabasa naman na mag great
Wala na
controversy. Parang roman. Okay. Okay. Si Ellen White mo ga-encourage sa ato kaning iyang health and health reform and legacy. White was a strong advocate for her health reform sa atong health, promoting a vegetarian diet. Na-promote siya na sa vegetarian na diet na exercise and a lifestyle free from tobacco, alcohol, and other substances she believed were harmful. Her writings on health and wellness influenced the development of Adventist health institutions, including Loma Linda University and Medical Center in California. White's life and writings continue to be influential within the Seventh-day Adventist Church. Her teaching on prophecy, health, and Christian living are considered authoritative by many Adventists, including over 40 books and thousands of articles has been translated into over ilang language? 140 languages, making her one of the most translated female authors in history. Then, despite kanang sa mga writings ni Ellen White, na mga controversies, na mga criticism, or na ay mga issues kay Ellen White, na mga issues na kuan niya. Despite her significant influence, White has also been a controversial figure. Critics have questioned the authenticity of her vision. Ay mga tinungo siya sa mga tao na nag-critic, nag-question sa visions ni Ellen White. The use of other sources in her writings na issues ng plagiarism na nag-copy lang daw ni Ellen White ang iyang writings sa uban ng mga authors na yung mga issue na sa iyang writings, no? The issue sa plagiarism kay Ellen White. Question the originality of her vision and her writing. However, her supporters maintain that her writings are divinely inspired and offer valuable guidance for Christian living. Okay, then, Ellen G. White's life and work have had a profound impact on the Seventh-day Adventist Church and on the broader Christian world. Whether viewed as a prophet, a visionary leader, or a gifted writer, her legacy continues to be debated and explored. Dapat nag-debate na questions sa iyong writings. The importance of health and wellness and the need for a strong spiritual foundation. Her life story, Ellen G. White's story, serves as a testament to the power of faith, perseverance, and the enduring influence of a single individual or a global movement. Usahay kanang sa mga writings ni Ellen White kanang ma-misinterpret sa uban, no? Example kanong sa vegetarian, di na makaon na mga Adventist nga nag-reform sila kay dili na daw pwede mo kaon ka ng meat, no? Ng mga vegetarian. But Ellen White just promote o gusto